Are you wondering if OpenMP is finally available in the default LLVM provided by Apple in macOS High Sierra? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this question and uncovering the details. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to use a feature that seems to be available everywhere else, but not on your system. You're definitely not alone in this concern. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, is OpenMP available in the default LLVM provided by Apple in macOS 10.13 High Sierra? They noted that OpenMP has been available in main LLVM for over a year now. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with OpenMP in High Sierra? OpenMP is a popular API for parallel programming, and many developers rely on it. Understanding whether it's available in your version of LLVM is crucial for your projects. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip on how to check your LLVM version and ensure you have the features you need. To determine if OpenMP is available in the default LLVM provided by Apple in macOS High Sierra, the user should first check the version of LLVM installed on their system. Next, the user should compare the installed version of LLVM with the latest version that supports OpenMP. The user can find this information on the official LLVM website. If the installed version is older than the version that supports OpenMP, the user will need to consider alternative installation methods. This could involve using Homebrew to install a newer version of LLVM. Finally, the user should verify that OpenMP is functioning correctly by compiling a simple OpenMP program. This will confirm that the installation was successful. Fun fact, the name OpenMP stands for Open Multiprocessing. It's a powerful tool that can significantly speed up your applications. Who wouldn't want that? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to a user, OpenMP is not officially available in the default LLVM provided by Apple in High Sierra. The Apple LLVM is based on version 4.0, but it does not include the OpenMP module. Interestingly, there is an OpenMP option visible in the help command, but it doesn't actually support OpenMP. The user notes that adding OpenMP would greatly benefit scientific researchers. However, there is a workaround. You can install the OpenMP library using Homebrew with the command brew install libomp. Additionally, a patch has been accepted into CMake that supports OpenMP in version 3.12 if you use the target system. Here's that tip I promised. Always keep your development tools updated. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to check if OpenMP is available in High Sierra and how to get it if it's not. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on programming and development.